So the first tool that I decided to explore for organization was the Socrative tool. And this tool I think is really cool, but I think it would be primarily used with like older age students. So this is just when I log in, this is just my launch screen page from when I log in. Here's where you can see that I have created my account. There's my current room number, and I could add a room if I wanted to. Just to look here quick, here's all of the plans that they offer. So currently I'm on the free plan, which includes 5 quizzes, 1 room, 50 students per activity, a 30-day report history, and automatic grading. If I wanted to upgrade, I could get more quizzes available, more rooms available, and then a longer history report, and just some more advanced options for $9.99 a month, billed annually. $16.99 would get me 30 rooms and access to the shared libraries. That's the pro plan, which is the most popular plan. And then $24.99 would be the complete plan, and I could see this being something for like higher education that they might use. So those would be all of the price plans that you could use if you chose to use this tool in your classroom. So from there, we'll go look at we'll go back and we'll just check out some of the options that they have. So here's the library, which I don't have access to the shared library that you can see over there on the left side, because I don't have the pro plan. But if I had the pro plan, that's where the shared library would be, where I can share quizzes with my peers or fellow teachers or whomever. Discover will take me into where I can look for other quizzes that people have created that I could maybe assign to my Socrative account, but then again, I only just have the free account. So this is just in the area of math. You could filter it by classes. You could filter by grade level. You could filter by keywords within your lessons, number of questions you want, Common Core standards, type of activity you want. So do you want an entrance ticket, exit ticket, classwork, etc.? You can search for math activities, ELA activities, science, social studies, and world history. So that's what that is. This is where my room assignments are at. And again, I just have the one room there. And if I had launched activities yet, this is where I would see my class reports, which I have not launched. But I'm going to go back to the library and I'm going to add a quiz. So if I wanted to add a quiz here, I could generate questions, right? I could do a blank quiz that I built on my own. I could copy and paste from another resource. I could import, or I could generate questions using an AI. So if I click on this one, and then I just am going to click align this to a standard, and I'm just going to pick a random bunch of, I'm going to go to Iowa because that's where I'm located at. So I'm going to pick the Iowa Core. I'm going to pick, let's just pick like a grade 3, and then I'll just select a standard here. Save all of that. I'm going to collapse that right now. And then I'm going to have the AI assist to generate me some questions. So I'm going to type in multiply and divide within 100 and see just what that generates for me. So you can see that it's thinking right now. The AI assist is thinking. So if I wanted to do a multiple choice question, I could add this question in. I could add in the true false. I could add in a short answer, and then I could say done, and it's just going to be a 3-question quiz. So calculate 45 divided by 5, and then that's where they could do the answer. Is 56 divided by 7 equal to 8? true or false. And then what is 8 multiplied by 9? So if I wanted to do that, if I wanted to publish that quiz, I could save and exit it, and then I have an untitled quiz right there that I could duplicate, I could download it to print, or I could share it. So that's how you would create a quiz, and then I could assign that quiz to students, but I don't have any students in here, so that's how you would create a quiz within this. So this would be a great way to build just short quizzes that you need, or short check-ins with students, anything like that. Just remember that the free version only gives you a limited number of quizzes, so I would be really mindful about which quizzes you're really wanting to use it for, or otherwise you have the option to pay for the higher level account. So yeah, that's Socrative, and I think it would be amazing for upper grades. I'm not sure that lower elementary age students would really comprehend well or be able to do this and navigate the website well, but for sure older elementary, middle school, junior high, and high school students would be able to utilize this and utilize it very well and effectively.